Welcome back, and I'm going to take you through another event lifecycle within Indochino's website or online store. As I've said previously, use this as an inspiration to build out your own tracking plan. And wherever you get stuck, reach out to us. We'll be happy to assist you, or drop us a comment within this article and we'll attend to that. So the next set of events is a bunch of random or various events that they can track, across their website. And I'm going to show you what some of them look like on their online store. And then you can get some idea of what is possible, in terms of, or what's trackable within an online store and the type of data that they can push to their analytics platform. So you'll see here, some of the events is call to action buttons clicked. That is a great thing for any marketing specialist, growth hacker, or conversion rate optimization specialist to be able to track, because that will allow you to run your growth programs. If you actively manage A/B split tests or a test experimentation strategy, it will be great for them to track call to action button clicks. And you'll also see there, I also have video played, so they can track and analyze how visitors, watch videos on their website and how that could assist, buying behaviors or purchases on their platform. And also blog search completed. So they've got a blog function or search function on their blog. If they want to track what type of text or content people are searching for, that will help them to build out or extend their content growth plan. And then there's also newsletter signups. This could be a soft lead or a micro lead, as they call it sometimes, if they want to determine how often or what quantity or total volumes of newsletter signups have they generated within the last week, 2 weeks, quarter, last year versus current year. Also a great way for them to see which marketing sources or channels are driving newsletter signups, because let's be honest, newsletter as a marketing channel is still a viable and a great channel to drive leads. So it's crucial for them to also track how good they are at driving new newsletter signups. And I'm really going to show you on their platform what that looks like. So let me just quickly go over to their website. I'm just going to cancel the shopping checkout there. Let me just go on to the main pages. So the first one I want to show you is call to action button clicks, and it's a fairly simple event to track. Let me just quickly find one. Sorry, so you can see there, there's a call to action called Discover Chinos, shop now at the bottom there. It's busy loading. Shop now. There's start planning, shop shirts, and just trying to load, just scroll to the bottom. There's book an appointment, live chat. There's so many different call to actions, and it will be crucial for them to set up tracking for each of these call to action buttons to kind of get some idea on hotspots or hot areas where visitors are clicking on most. So let me click on one, for instance. I'm going to click on shop now. And once I've clicked on that, it will fire the event to Indochino's analytics platform. And that call to action button text will get pushed as an event value or attribute alongside that event. So that's the one thing. Let me just quickly go to the blog to show you the blog search functionality. Just getting that to load. Let me just go back to the website while that's loading in the background. You'll see here lower down at the bottom of the footer, there's the newsletter sign up form there. So the visitor will add their email address in here, add example.com. And once I've selected to agree to the policy or privacy policy, And once I click on that little arrow button there to confirm the sign up, it will fire an event to their analytics platform. So that's also one that they can set up to learn more about their marketing initiatives. And it's just busy loading the background here. So I'll see if I can find a video while that is loading. And the video is on their homepage. Let me check the About Us. How it works, I think, has a video. Let me just quickly navigate to the video. Okay. Is there a video on here? Nope. We're just going to find one on the homepage, perhaps. Okay, I'm on the homepage. What's busy loading? Okay. I think they might have removed their video that was on the homepage, but I'll just wait for the blog to load to find the video. Oh, it's so slow. Okay. Well, that's busy loading. I'm not sure if I'll be able to find a video at this stage, but what you can do is, let me just go back to the tracking plan. So you can track what percentage of the video people actually watch. So if people only watch 25% of the video, you could fire that as an event value or attribute. You could also 50%, 75%, whatever interval. And then you can also select, push something like a video duration or video name, video category. Also something you can push. Let me just quickly try and reload the block again. Okay, so it seems like I'm having issues, network issues here. But do yourself a favor, get access to this tracking plan. And you can also go on to Indochino's blog and look for the search function. And you can see there, once you've tested that, you can see you can add search text. And whatever you search as a search text, that will get pushed as a event property and value to Indochino's analytics platform. And it's a great way for them to learn about the type of searches people conduct on their website. And this could stimulate a couple of things. It could help them to generate new content subjects or topics for their blogs. People could be asking for a very specific type of product and it might not be included in their product collection or range. And it could be something that they could introduce, to their customers. Other things that they could look at is videos. How effective are their videos at, getting people to make a purchasing decision? Do people actually view, the entire video? Or if they only view let's say, if they only view half of the video, are we selling or are we adding our value propositions earlier on in the video so people actually get to that point? What type of visitors or users are watching videos? Is it people on mobile devices, Android devices, or Android specific platforms? It could also be people that watch videos, they also end up making higher purchases or bigger purchase amounts compared to people that didn't watch videos, because people are more inclined to invest in your brand if they've learned more about your company and how you operate and the quality that you serve. You kind of get the idea of how they can slice and dice and use insights to really build their platform and business to drive them forward, and really win that market share that is needed for an e-commerce store to survive in this competitive industry. And that brings me to the end of this video. Take this as a great inspiration piece, build out your own tracking plan, and as I've said, reach out to me so we can help you get started on your tracking plan. Cheers. See you in the next video.